So hello everyone, this is Soham
And this is Naman.
and welcome to Royal Family. We're over here in Canada, Ontario, Hamilton, and today we are going to explore Smoky Hill waterfall.
And this is actually an access point for the Bruce Trail, written over there. If we could.
Talking about it's written Bruce Trail and Smoky Hollow Side Trail. So this is
And
both,
you
and
can-
let's see what this has to offer.
You can please read the please read the boards. We'll show up a picture.
You can
Of
pause
them.
this and read. And now we have come
So first,
over here.
First, we have to go from that fence, all the way from that fence opening.
To here.
And there's no winter maintenance, so you can be expecting some.
Yeah, it's very muddy. The actual trail is very muddy, so we are coming on the side. It's fully covered with snow, even in March, where you'll
There's no
see.
winter maintenance, so we have to let the snow melt if you want to, if you don't want the snow to get into your shoe.
There are some benches over here. Over here,
They're
yeah.
not covered in snow.
Yeah, the benches aren't covered in snow.
They have winter maintenance.
They don't.
Let's see the water.
Now let's go to the. This is the waterfall. I have just walked like 10 meters. Yeah, let's go closer to it and have a better view. Ew, it's yellow for some reason. I think the water is quite dirty. Now we have come to the closest that we can safely near this waterfall. Look at this. Very beautiful.
And it's very noisy.
And the water is very fast.
There's also
So-
some love locks here.
You can see that the water then collects over here and becomes like a
You can also see some love locks here, apparently. Like that.
people have left their own locks over here for some reason. And yeah, so yeah, let's go to the raft after it goes down the water.
Well, it's about something in the wood.
And look at this, it's what a mini waterfall beside the mega one. So yeah, there's
On the other
lots of
side.
snow everywhere. Look at that. In March. I mean, it's technically winter still in Canada. So yeah. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to enjoy life and look at that, the water.
A million farts in 1 minute, a million